short hack when the back window on your Astro van doesn't want to work. Little shout out to Camper Van Kevin over there. Alright, dude. Half the time when I do that, it doesn't work. Because, let's see if I can show you what's going on here. That little bar up there pops out of the pole because it needs a clip. Let's see. Can I get it out? Of course, there it goes. You see where that little clip is? Yeah. It ain't expensive. Just a pain in the neck to get to. So, when it does that, it pops out. It don't work. So I grabbed the rope, give it a little pull, push it so the other side opens, and there we go. Now, I do have to find that little clip. They're only pennies, but I gotta take this whole stupid door apart to get up to a point where I can reach in and replace that itty bitty thing. Talk about a pain in the neck. Anyway, I guess I really need to clean this brat buggy out, huh? Alright. Thank y'all for stopping in.